Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the super awesome aesthetic end screen video that I have at the end of every single one of my videos. If you don't know what I'm talking about, here it is right now. I made that without having to download anything and just using the bare minimum, like iMovie and the YouTube audio library, so it was completely free to make that. So let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is go to YouTube to actually get your videos and stuff that you are going to use to make this. So I've just pulled up this Greek statue dude because this is the one that I used for my video. So if you can download stuff, then just download it. But if you cannot or don't want to, then you can just screen record it. If you don't know how to screen record, I have a video on my channel about how to screen record. So the next thing you need to do is learn about how to pick the right video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the video you picked does not have a little watermark over here, because on some videos people are able to put their watermark here. I'm pretty sure in my videos it has it somewhere in the bottom corner. But anyways, you want to find a video that does not have any sort of a little watermark right here. And then there will be an eye with a card that pops out here. Those are called annotations, I believe, and some videos don't have them, but if you stumble upon a video that does have them, you're just going to go to settings, and then it'll have another bar that says annotations, and it'll have something that looks like this. So you just switch the annotations off so that you are able to record without those being in the way. So then you want to go down to the description and see what it says, if it says that you can use it for free, or if you just need to give them credit or whatever, look in the description and see what the creator says, and then ask yourself, am I going to abide by these rules? Am I going to be able to do this? That type of stuff. This video doesn't have anything on here, it doesn't say you need to give them credit, but I do give them credit, and I will show you how I do that in a moment. But so now you have decided which video you want, which green screen you want. So what you're gonna do is you would screen record, from this corner to this corner, so that you have it all on there, and then you would press play and then move your cursor off of there so that it doesn't have your cursor or this bar on here in your screen recording. So you screen record everything, that's all good. So then you're going to go into iMovie once you have your background and your green screen picked out. I'm just gonna use my the ones that I use for mine. So you need 20 seconds, but with this video, there wasn't a consecutive 20 seconds that didn't have anything on it. It had a end card pop up and everything, so this one was a bit of a hassle, but I will show you guys what I did. So I'm just gonna scroll through here until that bar and the play button and everything goes down. I'm gonna take that off, and then I'm gonna scroll through here and then scroll back a little bit, just right before that pops up. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna go through here, and I'm just gonna edit all of the parts that you don't want out. So if you find a video that is too short or something, you can still use it. Just record an extra, just record the video a couple times in one screen recording session, if that makes sense. And there we go. So now we have this video that doesn't have anything on it. Personally, I always just move this one because this is 17 seconds and this is 13. And end cards are 20 seconds, although you can make them shorter. So if you would like to make them shorter, you can do that. But personally is what I do, since this is at 17.2. I'm not going to be able to get that 0.2 off by myself. So I'm just going to go 17 on there and then press the enter button. So then it makes that 17, and then I'm gonna go here, and we need 3 more seconds to get it to 20, so I'm just gonna go 3, and it'll shorten it up by itself for you. It puts it at 19 seconds, but that's okay because it somehow always adds a second by itself. So then we're able to just watch this, and it looks good. and see right here where it transitions, it doesn't look too bad, so you know, that should be fine. And then we're gonna go here, take the sound off of this one as well. Any of the sound that's on these just comes from like your mic or whatever if you have your mic on, and I have a blue Snowball plugged into my computer, so whenever I record stuff it picks up that sound. So then you're gonna click on your green screen and then go green blue screen, and there you go. Now you have this really cool video. So now let's get on to the audio. You can use whatever audio you want, you know, make sure that it is copyright free, or that if it does have copyright on it that you have the rights to use it or have given the credit, you know, anything just like how you would do any music in any of your regular videos. So I personally always just use YouTube audio music. So I used Loopcut for this one. So I'm just gonna pull this down here and cut it to length. And then you can do whatever you want for the audio, but if you want it to have kind of like a glitchy sound, you can go up here, go to audio effect, and then I just use telephone. Yay, my computer's loading. Okay. So I just use the audio effect telephone because that gives it a really cool glitchy kind of sound. So is what I'd recommend doing is going through and just listening to all of these different audio effects. If you want one, you obviously don't have to do that. You can record your own voice to put over it. You know, you can do whatever you want with sound effects. But that's personally just like how I made mine. I just wanted to show you guys exactly how I made mine, so then you can figure out what other things you can do to personalize your own video. So then you would save this, you know, put it at the end of your videos when you're editing them. But I'm gonna show you guys now how I like give credit, I guess. So I have this Google Doc that's just called saved YouTube words. So I have like my gear up here, so I put that, I copy and paste that and put it in every single one of my descriptions. And then I have a subscribe button animation credit because I use this subscribe button animation sometimes. Well, actually, I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to use it soon, I think. And then I have end card video credit. So I have the credit for the Glitchy Green Dude statue green screen right here. I have the credit for the Vaporwave background screen. And when I say I have the credit for it, I just mean this is just the link to that video, because I feel like that's the best way to like give credit, is just to have a straight up link, you know, so that people can click on it and be like, okay, this is who it's from, this is the video, everything like that. And then for music, I use the song Loopcut by Andrew Langdon, and I got it off of the YouTube audio library. And then I added the telephone audio effect over it while editing, and it's edited all together by myself using iMovie. So then I just copy and paste this and put it in the description box of every single video I make that has this video in it. So I'd recommend doing something similar to this, as long as whatever videos you use don't have something specific in the description that is like, this is how you need to give us credit, or, you know, anything like that. But if there's nothing that says anything about credit, then just do it this way, because I figure this is the best way. And if they like somehow figure out that you're using their stuff and they have a problem with it, they can contact you, you know. It's no big deal. As long as you have attempted to give credit like this, then it should be fine. So that's it for the tutorial part of this. But if you guys make anything using this tutorial, please let me know in the comments down below, and like let me know which of your videos it is, or if you just have a video that is straight up just something you made using this tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below, because I really want to see what you guys made. I think it is so awesome to be able to watch stuff that people made using your tutorial, you know what I mean? I don't know. Anyway, so if you make anything using this, let me know, because I want to watch it and I want to support you guys as well, because you guys support me. So that is it for this video. If you still have any questions, just ask me in the comments down below. Or if you actually use this tutorial to make your end screen or maybe even an intro, let me know in the comments down below that you made this and which video it's in, or if it's in all of them or whatever, so that I can watch those, because I would really love to see what you guys made using this tutorial. So yeah, other than that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.